Welcome. In this video I will show you how to zoom in on MacBook Air M4's display. First, click the Apple menu in the top left corner of the screen and then go to the System Settings. In System Settings you're gonna have to select Accessibility on the sidebar, then go to the Zoom menu from here, and now you can either enable keyboard shortcuts to zoom by switching this toggle to the right, or you can use trackpad gestures to zoom. I personally prefer trackpad gestures because they are much easier to follow. Double tapping 3 fingers to enable or disable zoom, or double tapping 3 fingers and dragging your screen either forward to increase the zoom or backward to decrease the zoom level. You can also change the zoom style here. Full screen zoom basically enlarges everything on the screen uniformly. The split screen divides the screen into 2 sections, one normal and one magnified. It's mostly used for spreadsheets, and the picture-in-picture zoom creates a magnified window that follows the mouse pointer, and it's ideal for closely inspecting some small elements on your screen. So once you select the zoom level that you need, just select one of these 2 options. I'm gonna use trackpad gestures, and now double tapping with 3 fingers will enable zoom, and now double tapping and dragging it forward will increase, and backward will decrease the zoom level. Now, as you can see here, we also have the advanced settings. So in the advanced settings we can also change the appearance. We can restore zoom factor on startup, zoom images, smoothen images. Basically we can change anything: the movement speed, the shortcuts, modifiers, and everything else for the zoom settings. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.